Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 22nd of October today and it's Sunday. Literally it was Monday and now it's Sunday. Week goes so fast. So today is my meal prep day, as I'm uploading meal prep videos on Sundays. So I'm just thinking of making few dishes which I like and which kids like it's kind of our favorite. So that type of meal I'm going to make today in this video. Cutie hai hamale. Ow! Ready. Gosh. Okay, so I was going to put away some of these clothes and then I decided to do this intro. So yeah, got this TV and this was in Eddie's room and he took it out yesterday and I put it here. It was like our lounge room TV. We got another new one. Okay, I'm making some teriyaki chicken for kids. some oil, little bit of cumin, onion, curry leaf, now adding some chicken breast chopped and some potato. Adding some garlic ginger paste, adding some onion powder, making some brown rice here, adding some salt, added some water so that it will cook properly because I haven't added much oil. Adding some teriyaki sauce. We'll cook for a while.
Yes.
Okay,
Very
thank you. I'm going to make Thai chicken. Let's add some oil. Don't laugh. Eddie?
You told me to be right, too.
Yeah, you said so much unnecessary
I
things.
didn't say anything. I'm just sitting here.
Also making some white rice. Today's dinner will be very yummy. Okay, now straight goes in some onion, some chili garlic, now I'm going to add this Thai yellow curry paste. Adding little bit of hot water. Some curry leaf. Little bit of salt. And in goes some diced chicken and potato. We'll mix these. White rice is almost ready. Going to make some avocado chutney and also some raita. Okay, first we're gonna be making avocado chutney, so I'm just adding a little bit of this onion. I'm not gonna be adding any chilies because kids love to eat this too. Just adding this salt, garlic and chili. Okay, for the raita I have got some carrots here, and I'm going to add this yogurt. Creamy yogurt. Okay, 3, 4 of this. And I'm going to add this onion on top. Not too much. I'm going to add now some cumin ground. And some of this onion powder. And some of this salt, garlic and chili. And some of these chilies. This is really hot. I'm just adding 2 chilies here. Just mix everything. And I need some more salt in here. Mix. You can add anything in here of your choice. Some more coriander on top. So this is done. I'm going to just add this organic coconut milk. Some coriander, lots of it. And it's done. Making some spinach. I only added garlic, onion and salt. I'm going to add chickpea and some frozen spinach is there. That's it. We'll mix. Will be done in 1-2 minutes. Such a cutie.